Now, let us move to the next problem. This is also almost similar to the last two problems. Limit x tends to infinity, cos root of x plus 5 plus cos root of x plus 1. Again, we have cos c plus cos d form. So, this is limit x tends to infinity. Now, what is cos c plus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So, it will be 2 cos root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 1 by 2 into cos root of x plus 5 minus root of x minus 1 by 2. So, just we make use of 2 cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Again, as like the previous problem, here this goes to infinity. Here we have infinity minus infinity form. So, to avoid that, limit x tends to infinity, 2 cos root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 1 by 2 into, we are rationalizing as like the previous case, cos, you multiply both numerator and denominator by root of x plus 5 plus root of x plus 1, so that here it becomes a plus b into a minus b form. So, it becomes x plus 5 minus x minus 1 divided by 2 into root of x plus 5 plus root of x plus 1. Okay. So, it becomes limit x tends to infinity, 2 cos root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 1 by 2 into cos x and x gets cancelled, 5 plus 1 6, 6 divided by 2 becomes 3 divided by root of x plus 5 plus root of x plus 1. Now comes the interesting part of the problem. Now this becomes 2, this is infinity, cos infinity is a finite number between minus 1 and plus 1 into what happens? Root of x plus 5 plus root of x plus 1 tends to infinity. 3 by infinity tends to 0. We are getting it as cos 0. Now you are getting a finite number between minus 2 and plus 2 into cos 0 is 1. So, you can see that 1 into a finite number between minus 2 and plus 2 is also a number between minus 2 and plus 2, but we don't know what that particular value is. What's the definition of limit? As x tends to a, f of x tends to a particular value, then only limit of the function exists. Here, we don't know that value. Only thing we know that this value always lies between minus 2 and plus 2. So, as x tends to a, f of x is not tending to a particular value. So, limit of the function does not exist up to your level. When you study higher level, we will say that it has got an oscillating limit between minus 2 and plus 2. That is not in your syllabus, but just to know what it is, I point out that. So, limit does not exist, and more specifically, remember that it has got an oscillating limit between minus 2 and plus 2. For the time being, limit does not exist. And you remember that it has got oscillating limit between minus 2 and plus 2. So, this point should be noted for in future. So, for the time being, for this particular limit of the function does not exist. So, you go through each and every step, understand very well, and after that only you copied out the problem.